Alright guys, welcome back. Stream 2. Um so basically from I came back from school, and I'm honestly pretty interested in this trade. This trade looks pretty good, to be honest. So look, first we got a 1 hour sweep right here. 1 hour sweep, liquidity sweep, beautiful. Alright. Now if we go to 30-minute, we got a good close on this downward break of structure. Okay. And then after that, we got this 5-minute fair value gap, which got validated right here, which beautiful, beautiful. And I basically, also Fibonacci extension, right here, from here to here, 79%. I trades, I'm good with 79%. It even went past 100, but 79% right here, close, and beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so we got that out of the way. I just marked out these lows right here, some key level lows, here and there. I'm looking forward to going down here, but I will look after these key levels. But we do have a 3.2 risk to reward. Beautiful risk to reward. I'm putting 670 and potentially making 2.2. Anyways, but okay, risk to reward great, but uh, right here, check if I'm wrong, but I put my I put my sell order right here, right under this low. So exactly for this not to happen, that just happened. Exactly. Oh, wait. Exactly for this right here, that just happened, for it not to happen, and thankfully I did that. I knew what to do, and thankfully I did it. Because look, if I put it right here, it would have taken it. I would be down so much right now. But I'm thinking, where should I put my stop loss? Should I? Because look, this is a 5-minute fair value gap right here. I was originally thinking to put it right here, but I don't know if I'm willing to risk that much money. Um, I have a bit of time to think while it's. Honestly, I could put it even if I'm in the trade, but I'm pretty good with my take profit. But I'll obviously look at these key levels over here, these lows right here, 1, 2, 3. But I am currently up 15,000 on this account. This is my journal 1 account, and I'm gonna make a journal 2 account. But I just don't like when you start your account, you basically, it just doesn't take your orders sometimes, and it kind of pisses me off. So, but anyways, I'll do that later. But honestly, this trade is looking so good so far. We got a good break structure this downside, and right here, I'm pretty sure right here, if it breaks here, that's a market structure shift, which is going to be beautiful too, really beautiful. That's like already, if this is, if, ooh, I'm in the trade. I'm down 300, bro. How did it take that trade? Bro, I probably got waked out. Wait, hold up. Alright, so what should I do with the stop loss? I need to think fast. I'm just gonna do it right here, to this body right here. Should I do it to the wick? No. I'm doing it to this body. Right here. Okay, confirm. Alright, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. We still have a 3.1. Risk to reward, beautiful. 3.3 actually. Okay. It took my trade, I don't know how, but whatever, it did. I'm down 150. 190, but I did not want to take a trade, as I was saying. I did not want to take a trade right here, and I don't know why I took it. I wanted to take literally right here where I was showing for this not to happen, but whatever. If I get stopped out, man, I'll be pissed, but whatever. Okay, what should I do? Should I go to the wick? Let me see. 15k. No, yeah, I'm willing to lose 700, but okay, I'm going to the wick. That's the furthest I'll ever go. Furthest I'll go. I don't care. No further than that. That's a wick. Price shouldn't go there past it, so shouldn't. While my analysis says so. Yeah, we got a 79% extension. Okay, okay. As you see this 5 minute fair value gap beautifully played out. Hopefully it keeps going down. I don't want it to see go past the 5 minute fair value gap because that would be horrible, but it's looking like it's going good. But remember when I said I didn't want it to go past, remember when I said I did not want to see, I did not want to see, not see, I did not want to put my order right here. I will put it right here. For some reason it took right here. Kind of mad about that, but whatever. It wasn't my fault, but it is what it is. We're in the trade. Alright. Let me check on live. Alright, perfect. Yep, I'm live. Alright, bet. Good. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get back to you guys. I need to go do something real quick. So, yeah. I'll leave the camera going. Yo, yo.
Atrás,
Я снимаю, я снимаю.
atrás.
М.
А вы учите уроки, окей?
Ага. Закрой двери. Alright, so hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm pretty sure you can. But we're down 180 right now. Not bad. 170, 160. Okay. Alright, so honestly, I have pretty high expectations for this trade. Looking out super great, dude. Like, even on the 1 minute chart, oh my goodness, that looks beautiful. But I don't like this right here. These inducements right here. Oh my, pissing me off. But I'm gonna check. But so basically, these inducements right here, if it gets breaking down, right? It goes down, then it might happen again and break down again. That's usually how it goes, but whatever. I don't care what happens, just for nothing to go like past these highs right here. I'll show you on a 5 minute. I don't want nothing to go past these um highs in the 5 minute for value gap right here. I'm actually gonna right here in the middle. Alright, these highs right here, like these ones. One, two, three. Cause oh, you see that's okay, so it took our trade right there because we didn't see because it was I'm on delay. 10 minute delay. But you know, okay. Alright. That kinda sucks. That's literally what I was saying that I didn't want to happen. But it's whatever. And let's see how this plays out. I don't like that there's wicks right here. Big wicks. But as long as price doesn't go over these highs, over those wicks, I'm chilling. But if price goes over those wicks, I don't know, man. But so far it's looking good. Didn't really take the trade where I perfectly wanted to trade, but to take the trade, but the 10 minute delay made me not see price action before, and it just took it right there. But it does not matter. We're in the trade, so I'm gonna quit yapping. We want to see it invalid for value gap right here. One, two, C, 5 minute, IFVG. Okay, down $60. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting. Okay, perfect. Not exactly where I wanted to enter the trade, but as long as this the price action doesn't go right here, I am chilling. But if price action goes over that, over here, I'll be kind of worried. So yeah, but let's just recap a bit. 1 hour sweep, perfect, perfect. Got a break of structure on the 30-minute time frame with a good break. Got a 5 minute fair value gap which got perfectly taken right here. We got the Fibonacci extension, 79% right here, the light blue one. Swept. Swept. Alright. Now let's see what happens next. As I said, I don't want to see price go over here. It'll be really bad. I just, as long as it goes like right, like not even to the fair value gap. As long as like I'll extend it, but like I don't want to see anything. I don't want to see it go. Anyways, let's see ES. What's up with ES? ES is it's looking like why is the candle so choppy? Yeah, good thing I chose Nasdaq. It's looking better in my opinion. Yeah. Let's see if we got any S&Ts. I think I looked at it, but I don't think I have some. Okay, let's see. Mm, yeah, I don't think I have any SMDs. By the way, guys, keep in mind, I took a trade today in the morning. Oh, let's go over break even. Okay, we're plus. Alright, but I'm not gonna get too excited because that could change. Anyways, what was I saying? I took a trade today. I mean, no, I didn't take a trade. I streamed today in the morning. Price action is. I didn't take a trade. That's good because. So basically, let me recap. It was on ES. It was on ES. Okay, so right here we got a bearish S&T, and we got these highs, lows, and what I wanted to see, what I was telling the chat, telling you guys, is I want to see a sweep right here, which basically kind of happened. Pretty sure it did happen, but it wasn't validated. All right. So what I mean by that? So we got sweep this candle right here, and I was actually right here. I was looking, and the price action was right here, and I right before I went to school. That's the last thing I saw. So what I was thinking is, if this was beautiful, all right, beautiful sweep. What could have happened is what I would do is I would wait for here for this to get broken, or yeah, most likely this. I would wait for this to get broken because that's a breaker structure to the downside, right? And then see like some confirmations throughout the place, and then take a trade. So thankfully, I didn't take a trade. Well, because there wasn't sweep. There was only a sweep right after I was already going to school, but I still didn't take a trade because why? Because what confirmations do I have? I have no breaker structure to the downside, right? So I didn't take a trade just because I have a sweep, and what I thought it was a sweep doesn't mean nothing. So so yeah, TGR actually this video right here, um, he took a trade on that sweep too, and he lost. I think it was 135K, but but I'm pretty sure he only checked the sweep, the bearish SMT. Like I checked that too, but like, and he also checked what was it? Uh, it was an inverse fair value gap, but nothing went past this. So I was like, dude, that's too risky of a trade, so I'm not doing it. Hold up, hold up, guys, just a second. Okay. Alright, so it's just playing out right now. It's at, I don't really care right now, to be honest, because I should be in the 5 minute actually. What was I saying? I was saying about TGR's trade and going, what I was looking at too. Okay, so where was I? Okay, so let's go in 30 minutes. Alright, so I saw bearish S&T was at that time. I was like, okay, that's perfect. Bearish S&T. I'm trading ES, um, because I wanted to see a sweep, which did happen right here. All right, it happened, but what didn't happen is is a break of structure to the downside. I'm like, whenever there's no break of structure to the downside, I never trade. I'm like, I want to make sure that my trades are legit, you know? I don't want to trade just because, like, no offense, but like, TGR did not take this trade good. Like, for example, he only looked at the sweep SMT, and I believe it was an inverse fair value up in the 5 minute time frame. I think that's all he looked at. But hey, it's fine. You gotta learn, keep learning, and time will show. So yeah. Alright, Nasdaq. Alright, perfect. We're up, but don't get your hopes too high because it's still in that break-even zone, so it doesn't really matter. Just need to see it play out for a bit. I'm hoping to be in this trade for like around hopefully like maybe an hour and a half maximum. I don't want to be too long, but an hour should be fine. Anyways, great that we're coming down. Let's see. We need to hit these low levels right here. This low level. I want to see it break it, which is I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a this low level. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a market shift, market structure shift. I mean. So let's do this real quick. Actually, possible market shift. Okay, perfect. Oh, we have this beautiful wick right here. Okay, we have this beautiful wick right here. It's a beautiful sign. Okay, we'll let the trade do its thing. What am I doing? All right. All right. Honestly, guys, I'm pretty confident about this trade. If you were to ask me, all I'm not looking forward to do, I mean, not to do, but all I'm not looking forward to have is price going right here. That's that's all I'm worried about because right here is these highs for the 5 minute fair value gap, and if we reach that, that's gonna suck because my take profit is next to it, and I if we get invalidated like invalid fair value gap, that's I'm not no we there's no way it's invalid fair value gap because we already validated validated it did it. So, and as you see, let's look at 30-minute. These lows, I'm pretty sure it was, or it was these lows right here. It was these lows. It got broken. This low did not yet get broken, but we have still 27 minutes on 30-minute time frame. So these lows got broken with this body. All right. All right. Okay. Let's see price go down there. And this trade, I want to do good, like as they say, risk management. I want to take my stop loss and drag it once we get to good lows, good highs. For example, let me explain. For example, if we were to take up trade right here, bullish trade. So if we had our stop loss right here, we entered right here, we made a move up. I would put my stop loss right here. Made another move up. I would put my stop loss right here. Like I want to have a good like I just want to be in profit for today and like good risk management. That's basically what I'm saying. All right, so I want to see price break here because that's the recent low for what the candle made and close, not continue. Okay, okay, perfect, great. So love what I'm seeing right now. We still have 1 minute right here on the candles, so things could happen. And the things did happen. Okay, that's fine. Just I'll let the trade just do its thing. I don't really care. As long as we don't get these to these highs. I mean, fair value gap highs. I'm chilling. Like, I don't care if it goes right here. But here, I'm worried a bit. Perfect. It's about to close in 6 seconds. And hopefully it closes under. Yes. Please close. Yes, sir. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Exactly. Perfect. Alright, perfect, dude. Okay. Exactly what I wanted to see. Alright, let's send this. Okay. Now all I want to see is go past this market structure shift. Make it market structure shift. Because if we make a market structure shift, dude, that's like guarantee trade to the downside, to the bearish. Yeah, I'm gonna go see what's up. And I'll come back real quick. Alright, guys, I'm back. Okay, what we see is a beautiful lake, but it didn't close yet, and that's horrible. It's getting worse because what this, well, from my analysis, what I learned so throughout the year, this right here, if it goes a bit up and it closes like this, and it has two even wakes, from my analysis, it's gonna go like reverse a bit. Well, that's not bad because it's gonna reverse like just a bit though. But still, we don't want to see any reversion, whatever. Okay, and I'm pretty sure from my analysis, it's only gonna be if it's gonna be um blue candle with two wicks, because we are in blacks. Then if we get a blue, we're gonna probably get up here and then reverse down or here, something like that. But but let's just see. I want it to go. So we got this low right here. We need it to break perfectly, and now it's reversing. Um, we need this low to get broken. Good, like it's a good body. And then yeah, okay. I'm gonna check Forex Factory for tomorrow. Dude, there's gonna be so much good news. Like, not like there's gonna be so much news. Like Wednesday, Thursday, I'm pretty sure Friday too. Friday, if I'm not mistaken, Friday is gonna be Trump meeting the Chinese president. Dude, it's gonna be crazy. Let's see, Tuesday we got a S&P/CS Composite HPIMM Richmond Manufacturing Index. Okay, I don't even need to go here um because I'm not gonna be trading at that time. We got some on a Wednesday. We got um high impact news. Dude, this week is crazy. Logan speaker. Okay, let me see what's up with Logan. History. Okay, let me see. Um, Okay. Logan's gonna be speaking. It's gonna be a crazy week, guys. And then Logan's officer. Oh, never mind. It's a loan officer. I was about to say what? Okay. And I'm pretty sure, if I'm not mistaken, on Friday, pretty sure Trump is gonna be talking. Is it Friday or Thursday? Trump is gonna be talking. We're up 400. Let's go. Trump is gonna be talking with Chinese president. We need this to close with a good body right here. We have 38 seconds on the 5-minute time frame. We need to close with a good body. Like, this is not bad. It's pretty good. So if it stays like that or goes down more, oh, and it just wicked us out, but we still have 20 seconds left on this candle, so let's see what's gonna happen. Six seconds. We just need to break it, and it not break. Okay, okay. We need to keep that in mind. Okay, now let me see. Don't want price to go up here. Ooh, we just got a big, big candle. That's crazy. Do we have any news? No, there's no news for that candle, but no, that's crazy. That's crazy. Uh, it's fine. If that makes a wick, that would be so perfect. To be honest, as you guys can see, I'm still guys. I want to do FX replay. I just feel like it's gonna be way better for my backtesting. And look at this. It's breaking that level right now. It's crazy. Big candle. Big candle. It's fine. If that makes a wick, dude, that would be like the best. Right as I said that. Bro, is there news or something? Dude. No news Monday, bro. No news Monday, but this is what happens. We chillin'. Let's go down to 1 minute time frame. Let's see what's up with here. But look, you see this? It got sweeped. Not sweep, but kind of sweeped. Not with the liquidity, but it got sweeped. I don't like that. Okay? I do not like that. It just got sweeped. Not with the liquidity sweep, but it got sweeped. And that's what I was saying that I did not want to see happening. That's why I said I want to see a good break with the body. It's fine, we're still holding. Look at a beautiful wick coming down. Beautiful wick coming down, hopefully. Oh, as I was showing, ooh, beautiful wick. Beautiful. That would be so beautiful if that just closes it like that. Anyways, I was in the first trade today morning. I'll stream. I meant stream. I was what's called. I was trying to get into Notion. For some reason, it's not wanting me to log in. It was actually annoying. So let's see if it wants to let me log in again. I'm a. Yeah, it's not wanting me to log in. Ooh, let's go. Hold up, what? Well, everything's here, so. Okay, today's Monday, 27th. Alright, alright, so. This is. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys right now. So, this is. Alright, okay. This is from the last 2 weeks. I didn't trade these 2 days, I'm pretty sure. Um, on ES, we got 637. The 14th, we got 2.9. We lost 635. Just a bit less than what we won in this day. Then we win 1300. Then we went 312. And biggest trade loss of like a long time, 1700. I was going, I felt so good in that trade. Like, not so good, but I didn't have too many confirmations, but I had some confirmation, and I was like, alright, I'm gonna put quite a bit. Well, that's why I lost quite a bit. So, yeah. And the total goes up to be, and I didn't do this week yet. I mean, obviously, because it's Monday today, and I'm in a trade right now. But this is the total for so far. 2.792 in the past 2 weeks only. And keep in mind, I didn't even trade the whole every single day in the 2 weeks. Like 2.792, $2,792. Um, Look at this. Only in the 2 weeks. Didn't trade 15th, 22, 23, 24. Why do I remember trading 23rd? But never mind. Anyways, but yeah. So four was at 4.792 or whatever. No, 2.792. 2.792. Okay. Alright, let's get back to charts. Okay. Yo, let's go. Just I was saying about this big wick. If it forms, that would be perfect. And guess what happened? It formed, dude. Let's go. But I need this still to break. Because I need this to break. It could happen the same exact thing. Alright. Let please break. Alright. So it's kind of getting there. Bro, can you break already? Yes. This is what I want to see. Now we need to close like this. Okay? We need to close like this. Please close like this. Get it? Okay. After if we do close like this, we want to close again with this MSS, and from there, dude, I'm chilling. That's what I think in my strategy. Currently up 500, 450. Oh no, we have 2 minutes left. We need this to break. Okay, we need this to break. Yes, like this, and close. Break and close. Break and close. Alright, I have nothing else to do but look at candles, so I'm gonna read the Bible. Okay, we see needs to break. If it stays like this, is perfect. This is actually perfect. 10 more seconds. Just stay like this. Come on. Let's go. Alright, beautiful break. Now we need a beautiful break for this market shift. And that's like, if we get this break, then that's great. That would be great. I'm just saying. Because this market structure shift is all what market structure shift is market was going up in the up direction and bullish. This break of structure to the downside. And what is market doing? Is if it breaks here, it's fully market structure shift, which means it will just keep on going in the down direction and the bearish. So that's why this market structure shift is really important to get broken. This passage on Psalms 15 is actually pretty nice. It's the King James version. I'm gonna read the whole Psalms 15 from 1 to 5. It says, Lord, who shall abide in thy tabernacle? Who shall dwell in thy holy hill? He that walketh upright and worketh righteousness, and speaketh the truth in his heart. He that backbiteth not with his tongue, nor doeth evil to his neighbor, nor taketh up a reproach against his neighbor, in whose eyes a vile person is contemned, but he honoureth them that fear the Lord. He that sweareth to his own hurt, and changeth not, he that putteth not out his money to usury, nor taketh a reward against the innocent. He that does these things shall never be moved. That's pretty crazy. So like, what I was basically saying is, if you don't change your actions, if you don't change your actions to how you're treating people, how you're going in your everyday life, if your actions are bad, he's saying that he would not move you whatsoever. Like, what move you means is he will not, for example, he will not, like, how do I say this? Not like not help you, but like keep you where you are. But if you follow him and if you like do good things, do like you like fear the Lord, do good things, do good to others, have a good heart, say the truth in your heart, then basically he will guide you and help you and get you more higher, because those who are humble are humble. Those who are not, and they're not gonna be. Anyways, that's great. I found that kind of actually leads to my prophecy that I had. But anyways, so we have this big um candle. I'm fine with that as long as it comes a bit down. I don't really care. No, we got this break. I'm fine if it comes a bit down, like that, a bit more actually. But I'm not too worried about that right now, and I don't want to go past this, right? Because we're in a downtrend and low, high, low, low, high, and then yeah, you guys get it. All right, that's great. That's literally what I said, what I wanted, and hopefully that happens when it closes in 5 seconds. That looks good. That looks good. Yes. Literally, this trade is actually so awesome. I literally would everything I said basically happened. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, now I would want now continuation to the downside. I just don't want to go up over this because this is the reason why. Why is this so choppy? Like on the 1 minute time frame, the charts are actually like so weird. You see, there's gaps. I don't know. Looks like we're kind of pushing towards there, but I'm pretty confident that it's just because it's going towards there. I'm pretty confident it's not going to go there. I'm pretty sure it's gonna just reverse, make another wick, but we'll see. Only charts can show. We're getting pretty close to that level, but honestly, it's not like too worrying about that. But you just gotta keep that in mind, you know. Not too much of a worry, but keep it in mind. It would be really bad if price action goes over to this box, but yeah. So we're at break even. Okay. All right. It's all good. We'll let the market do its thing. I just don't want. Dang, that's pretty big candle. How much more minutes? 2 minutes. But okay, that's pretty big candle. But I just don't want it to go to this box. That's it. Literally it. But I'm pretty sure we can make a wake probably. Hopefully. But yeah, I'm gonna go see what's up downstairs. Dang, we got a big push up. And we only got 50 seconds of this candle. Okay, that's crazy. That's a pretty big push up. Dang, guys. That's crazy. Okay. We'll see what happens from there. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. I want it to go down this line. That would be beautiful if it goes down this line, the body. Just a bit. I'm good. I need the body to go down this line right here. Yep, 9 seconds. Just keep it like that, and I'm chilling. Keep it at break even, I don't really care. Well, right there, okay. Alright, let's see what happens from here. It's not looking too bad. It's not looking too bad. I'm just gonna let it do its thing, I don't really care. Really wanted to see that market structure shift. Really was hoping for that, because if I had that market structure shift, I wouldn't be worrying right now. Since I didn't have that market structure shift. It's not that I'm worrying too much, but I just don't want it to go here. That's literally it. Do not want it to go there. Alright, let's see what happens. We gotta, if this closes like this, we're gonna get an invalid for value gap, or what we want to see is an invalid for value gap. But we could still do something else. So let's see. And just because I was like, people might say, oh, this kid was at $500 and now he's at negative $40. This is so gambling. Like, guys, you gotta understand, this is a market, okay? It's not your desire. This is a market. You don't know the market, you don't know what you're doing, okay? So basically what I'm saying is, markets move in trend lines or support resist. Market either goes like this, or market moves in trend lines. Low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. Or high, low, higher, low, higher. No, what am I saying? Higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low. Okay, you guys get the point. What I'm saying here. Okay, so just because we entered, let's say we entered right here, right? Put our stop loss right here. We know where the market's gonna go, but what I need to master, basically, what I'm saying, I need to master like when to enter my trades. Okay, that's where I need to master, because that's like so important for me, to be honest. But even if we enter right here, put our stop loss right here, okay, yeah, we were up 500, now we're down 200. Oh, this kid is a gambler. Dude, market is just gonna do its thing, so yeah. Beautiful breakdown. How long am I in this trade for already? Wait, I can't check. I don't think I could check. I'll just count these numbers. I think I've been here already for an hour. Crazy. Pretty sure I was here already for an hour. It's about to be an hour and 20 minutes. 20 minutes, I'm already an hour in the stream. Yeah, guys, it might take a bit more than an hour. It's fine, you guys could, once it's uploaded, you guys could skip through it. I want this to close right here. Perfect. See what I'm saying, guys? It's it's not gambling, guys. Put in the work, put in the hours, you will succeed. Not saying that I'm the best, not saying that I'm anything, but like I've been practicing for a bit, so this trade looks good to me, and I want this to work out because basically so much stuff happened that was beautiful. Everything I said was beautiful. So I want this trade to really work out just to prove to you guys, to people who say I'm gambling, but I'm not gambling. We're coming back at this slow right here, and let's see what happens. We want a break, that's what we want, but see what the market's gonna give. Yeah, guys, I really need to work on entering my trades good, better, because every single time I enter trades, I just don't enter the best, and like if I go back, I need to go back a lot and just check every single time where I enter my trade and see how I could improve that trade. Okay, so I'm not saying that like today's enter was not the worst, but it would be better if I entered right after this 5 minute fair value gap right here. Like, well, actually, yeah, there's breaks and then right here. That would be so beautiful. But anyways, let's keep in mind. I need to keep in mind that. Alright, what are we seeing? We're seeing a bad wick, but let's see how it's gonna play out. Got 13 seconds, 10 seconds to that candlestick. Let's see what happens. Yeah, well, not the best thing. And as I said, I wanted to see a break right there. Didn't happen. So, yeah, that sucks. But it's fine because I want to see what market does. Alright, so what's happening? Got myself some hot chocolate and some seeds, sunflower seeds. Alright, so okay, market is just looking like it's going in a downtrend, which is good. Alright, so here, do not want to see anything go past here. Right here. Alright. Still didn't get a good break. Well, this was a good break, but what we need mostly is not really this, but mostly this. This is going to determine our market shift in my analysis. So yeah, I'm just gonna let the market do this thing. I really don't care right now. I'm gonna actually see if there's any fair value gaps or anything like that. No. And there was this invalid fair value gap which got validated, which is good. But I don't care what happens here, but I just wanted to keep going down because I don't want it to go over here. Okay? That makes sense. Alright, we got, so we are up, we are up for 1 hour already. Man, I thought this was gonna be a quick trade. Looks like not, but we have all morning to trade basically. Well, I'm not trying to stay up. I'm trying to exit like at 10 latest. It should be good at, this should be good at like till 10. Alright guys. See what happens here. That should be better. Alright. Honestly, this doesn't even matter anymore. This key level right here does not matter. Why? Because we need to break this. You guys get me? I was like, why am I still looking at that key level? It got broken. So we need to break this and also that market structure right below it. So yeah. I'll start doing my notion. Oh, come on. It's not what I wanted. Keep in mind, today is no news Monday. What is it, bearish or bullish day? Honestly, probably bullish, but never mind. Bearish day. I thought it was gonna be bullish because of this. Oh, never mind, because it starts right here. Okay, so whatever. So it's bearish. Wait, why is that? We don't know if it's win or loss yet. Okay, what did I use? A breaker structure. Trend line, we could say that, I guess. Almost market structure shift, hopefully. Fair value gap, liquidity sweep. We did not use the SMT. I'm not sure if we used the invalid fair value gap, but let's check. Well, we're about to use an invalid fair value gap, but not yet. So, I think that's it. Oh, and could also say market structure shift because no, that's not, that didn't happen yet. Okay. Honestly, dude, this trade for me, like, it looks pretty good. Like, just sucks that I entered it like this. If I entered better, I need to get better entries. 1 hour sweep. What is the percent? What else do we have? Permanent. Fair value gap. Okay. So far, that's it, I think. But I want to see. I want to see this really bad. If we get these two confirmations, it's gonna be great. Like, I'm pretty sure, like 90%. If we get these two, if this breaks, 95% sure that we're gonna hit take profit fully. So yeah. Latest on state to time. That's all we can do right now. We have like only this week to end the month. I'm pretty sure. If I'm not wrong. Yeah, this week is the last week to end the month, and I didn't even trade for the first 2 weeks. Well, you could say 1 week basically, because it's 3 days. I don't know what I was doing, but I think I was on vacation or something. Um, but yeah, I'm really hoping to trade Wednesday, Thursday, and if Friday is the Trump, that's Trump talking.
That's a crash.
Pull up my brother.
The other one with the
Huh?
companion.
Мама я думаю забрала. Ну я скажу, и чтоб дала назад. Подвесил маму на комнате.
Мама, я не знаю, да. Ну, поможи мне.
Окей, окей.
Пожалуйста.
Окей, окей.
Мені це час.
Ты давай.
Ну, так.
Окей, идем, идем.
Ой, да.
Я сейчас скажу им.
Долго. Давай,
I'll be
давай.
right back. I'm gonna go get my brother something. Oh my, we got a big move up. Dude, what is this inducements? Hmm? We got inducements right here. Then we got inducements right here. As I was saying. Alright, I'm gonna be right back. Alright, guys, we're down $10. Ooh, we almost pushed that, but as long as we don't push over it, I mean, it's not bad if we push over a bit, but like, I don't want to see that. Honestly, I just want this trade to end faster, but I believe this trade is gonna work out good. I just want it to end faster. Cause I'm trying to like chill, and like I think I'm gonna be copyrighted if I watch something on YouTube. So yeah.
Fresh.
Thank
Fresh.
you. So, we'll be right back.
Be right back.
All right. Honestly, it would be better if I just didn't look at the charts right now, because I have so much confidence in this playing out that I just do not want to look at the charts right now. Because whenever I usually take trades like with this much confidence, I just don't look. But since I'm streaming, then I have to keep it going. Just hopefully this ends sooner. Like, it's actually pissing me off. I got this. Got this alarm to wake me up for trades. It is not 12 a.m. What time is it? 7:20. Dude, how do you chill? Alright, bro, I get it. Alright, bro. Alarm. We need to wake up. I need to wake up 5 a.m. How do you change from AM to PM? Never mind. So with the market, yeah, please go down. I'm trying to wait all day. Be a long video, guys. 1 hour and 20 minutes. Three views, W. Sorry, dude, I did not see your comment. My bad, bro. Didn't see your comment. Um, it's open. I think it closes. I think it was like 3:30 or something. Wait. I'm gonna just check. So, wait, okay. I think it closes 3:30 to. I'm just gonna say 18 hours and 41 minutes. Yeah, guys. So there was a question. Um, it closes in. Was it 18 hours? Yeah, 18 hours and 41 minutes. I tried. I'd get to. Oh, it's two. I, well, I don't know. I mean, it's opened. NQ and ES is opened. Um, it's opened. It closes in 18 hours. Wait, yeah, 18 hours and 40 minutes. You said you could? What do you mean you could? No, it's glitching. Yes. Okay. I'm actually tired of marking right now. Like, I know it's doing its thing, but like, can you please hurry up? I'm not trying to get copyrighted for watching some YouTube videos. Got 3 views so far. Not bad. Yeah, so Mark is actually annoying. We're just getting bounces off this high right here. And I do not want to see us going past this high. I just do not want to see that. All I want to see is price action to come here and just like with a good body, with this market structure shift, and also with a good body this 5 minute inverse value gap. Yeah. So just recap, we got a break of structure, we got a 1 hour liquidity sweep, beautiful liquidity sweep on the 1 hour time frame. Then if we go to 5 minute time frame, we got a break of structure, and then we got a 5 minute fair value gap, which got beautifully taken out right here. But I put this line right here because for these highs, okay? Why did I do that? Because I just do not want to see price go even to this box of fair value gap because well in my like how I see it, I don't really see it going even to here. But this might be a bit of a trade, but I'm pretty sure in the end it's gonna all be good and be it's gonna form to my take profit. Oh, we got a great candle, but I need it to close. But anyways, after break structure 5 minute fair value gap, then I marked out this and then I have this market structure shift that's not yet filled, and then this 5 minute invalid fair value gap also not yet filled, and I'm looking forward to that getting filled. After that gets filled, I'm not like worried about anything, but before that gets filled, I'm a bit worried. Like not too much, but like a bit. You're on Chicago time zone. Um, I thought I was in. I thought I was in. Yeah, I'm in Los Angeles. Yeah. Honestly, I still need to get that figured out because I live in PDT time zone, and is like PDT time zone like um isn't PDT time zone like also like Los Angeles? I don't think I'm on Chicago time zone. DK poster. I need this body to close. I want this body to close. Yep. Now that's awake. All I don't want to see is push above this or even get to this box. Like, don't even want to see anything over this line, over these highs. 13 more seconds on this candle. Let's see on this 5-minute candle. Let's see what happens. Alright, so not a bad candle. Not too of a bad candle. In LA time zone. Wait, can you? I'm pretty sure you guys could hear me, right? 9 seconds. Yeah, guys could hear me, but it's crust. The quality's probably crust. But I'm getting a mic soon, so just a simple USB mic. So we were down here. We did not make a mark structure yet, which we wanted to see. And we did not have the 5-minute numbers for value. But I'm still confident in this trade. It just might take a while, but I'm still good with this trade. Let's see. So it's a 30-minute time frame. Formed anything maybe? Let's see on the 30-minute time frame. This is the gap, but I'm gonna go off 5-minute. So hour's probably just Wait, is this there's an hourly gap? Which I guess got filled maybe? Maybe not? No, it's not on the 30 minutes, so I'm just not gonna do it. Okay. Honestly tired of price action, just like playing around my entry zone. Yeah, so DK reposter set out in Chicago time zone. I'm in LA time zone. Right here. Alright guys, so latest I'm probably exiting out the stream is probably 9. Probably the latest. But if the market's still going, the trade is still going, I mean, I will keep you guys updated tomorrow morning. Tell you guys what's up with the trade, what happened to the trade. Probably gonna end the stream probably around 8. Sorry if the audio is kind of bad. It's glitching again. No. There. Yeah. Hey, DK reposter, are you trade? You do paper trading? What do you do? Since you're in the chat, what do you trade if you trade? I don't know. Normally don't really trade NQ, but I just felt like it was a better option. Cause look at this. Look at ES. Look at what's ES doing, and look at what's NQ doing. I just felt like that would be a better option to trade. Might have to drag my stop loss over to this candle, or I'll just leave it. It's whatever. David, you're so funny, bro. Yo, it's David. What's good, David? Yo, you're on my stream. DK reposter. David the DK reposter. Oh yeah. Alright, David, bro. Yeah, bro. It's going slow, but I have faith in this strategy. Are you? Hey, David. Are you in the strategy? I mean, are you entered in a trade or anything, or are you just looking? Are you entered into a trade or something, or are you just looking? Yo, David, DK reposter. Yo, 2 hour. No, you're not into a trade. Uh-huh. You couldn't? Why not? Why couldn't you? Why couldn't you? Was it not letting you or something? Market was closed for me. Um, I don't know why market's closed for you, bro. Maybe look at. Okay, so look, I'm a point. Okay, you see this? Click on it, and you see it says, "Oh, I am in the Chicago time zone, bro. You're right. UTC 5. Wait, but it says UTC 7 here. I don't know, bro. It's kind of confusing. But hey, look. Even if I'm in Chicago time zone, it's still open. Look, the only time it closes is for 1 hour in the middle of the day. You get it? The only time it closes is 1 hour in the middle of the day. That's when we literally getting out of school. So look, go into go into here, time zone right here, and press Los Angeles UTC dash 7 Los Angeles, and tell me if it's gonna change, cause it should be open. Like, I mean, it's open for everybody. So I don't know. It's weird. We got a good push down. Um, let's see what happens after it pushes down. If it pushes down here. Okay. Okay, David, when you get home, you try and tell me. Yeah, I tried the Los Angeles UTC 7 time, but I don't know. It should be open basically to everything. I don't know. I'm not that smart. Okay, we're getting a good push down. I just want this to break. This candle right here. Let's see if it breaks that candle. Guys, I honestly could just like exit this trade and just win $220. Psych. Y'all thought? Nah, bro. I'm not a fake trader. Bro, what? I'm a profitable trader, bro. What are you guys talking about? No, but I'm actually pissed. The market is actually moving like so slow, bro. What I want to see is this right here. Bomba Claw. What is this, bro? That's such a nice. Well, David, if you're still here, I think this is when market. Karachi, it's in the middle of the day that it closes, so I don't know. I think your phone is geek. Come on, bro. The glitch again? Alright, guys. This is gonna take a bit more than another hour. So, I'm gonna end the stream. So I'm pretty sure I could get copyrighted if I watch YouTube while I'm streaming, so, um, or whatever, I could get in trouble, banned maybe. So I'm not gonna do that, and I'm gonna exit the stream. And tomorrow morning at 5:30, stream is starting, and I'll see you guys at 5:30 a.m. and tell you guys what's up with this trade. All right, see you guys.